everybody and welcome back. If you'd like to use a Shein referral code on your PC and you are wondering how to do so, you may just follow up these steps and you should be able to do it easily. So you can open up Shein website. For that, you can go to one of the browser and type in Shein, hit enter, and once you go there, go to shein.com, this one right here. And if you're not logged in, you can log in. You can even use the application and follow the same process. I'm just using a website for now. And once you are here, if you're not signed in, you can sign in and just go over and look out for your profile option in the top right corner of your screen and select it. Once you select it, you need to go over to the coupon section. You can look out for the coupon section here from your right hand side. Or if not here, basically look out for the coupon section, go to my coupons and open up that page right here, this one right here. Now once you go to this my coupon section, you will be looking for option called referral code. So you can look out for that option and apply the referral code from the section. You can shop those out and go to checkout. And once you're checking out, you can enter up your referral code. If not here, you can even add gift card, select gift card option right there and select this option of linking card, and there provide in your card ID and your PIN and link button and confirm it up. And once linked, you can enjoy the faster shopping and use the referral code this way as well. And that is it. You can just go over and follow the process, and once you browse and add the items to your cart, you should be finding a referral discount applied in the order summary. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.